makers, it's Charlotte and I'm here with Matt today, our skin and hair care expert. Today we're going to talk to you about the top 5 concerns in skincare and how to formulate for them. So I'm going to share the concerns and Matt's going to share the solutions. Let's get started with the first one. Anti-aging and anti-wrinkle. These are the top 2 concerns that people have when it comes to their skin. The good news is the way we formulate for them is the same. Matt, how do we formulate to get rid of wrinkles and make our skin look youthful?
So when you want to formulate a product that's going to have potent anti-wrinkle effects, you're looking for something that you're going to want to have long-term benefits from, and those come through antioxidants. Actives that have strong antioxidant effect help to reduce cellular damage that would otherwise happen by free radicals. And by preventing these processes from happening, you're able to preserve the youthfulness of your skin and overall health of the skin that matches more closely to a younger complexion.
Amazing. Next, dark spots and blemishes. As we age, sometimes these pop up on our skin and nobody wants to have dark spots and blemishes on their skin. The good news is we can mitigate some of these issues through a healthy skincare routine. So if that's what we're looking to accomplish through our products, Matt, what would we incorporate in order to eliminate blemishes?
So for reducing blemishes and dark spots, the gold standard ingredient is actually vitamin C or ascorbic acid. This is a great ingredient because, like previously mentioned, this has very strong antioxidant effect, which actually affects the cell's own mechanisms which would otherwise produce dark spots. So you're actually stopping them from forming and reducing present dark spots. So it kind of has dual activity.
I love that. Prevent them before they even happen and get rid of the ones that happened already.
Yes.
That sounds like a great action plan. Okay, our 4th skin concern is skin soothing. Some of us have sensitive skin or we can be irritated by the pollutants in the air around us, especially as weather changes occur. So if skin soothing is the benefit that you're looking for from your skin products, how do we formulate for that?
When you have dry or irritable skin, usually what happens is there's a lack of hydration and moisture in the skin, and this causes a breakdown of the barrier that helps to keep moisture further into the skin. So it kind of creates this cycle that makes itself worse. So when you're able to use very nourishing and rich oils and butters that provide a lot of hydration and moisture to the skin, they also help to create a little film that will help lock that moisture in for the duration of use.
Matt doesn't know it, but he's saved me from many skincare problems in the future by giving me these formulation tips so far. Okay, our 5th and final concern is under eye. Whether you are a mom with young kids and you're not getting great sleep, or you're working late, or whatever it is, sometimes we get puffiness or darkness under our eyes, and that is definitely something that we can prevent through good skincare. So last and finally, how do we formulate to prevent under eye puffiness or sagginess?
So to help formulate for under eye puffiness, sagginess, and dark circles, you want to use something that's going to help improve the microcirculation in the skin. That's actually what causes that dark coloration, is it's the blood not moving under your skin, so it comes across as dark. So using something like a caffeine powder or a caffeine-based extract really helps to improve that microcirculation and clear out all the darkness, and then also improve the bagginess under the eyes because you're not trapping so much under the eye.
Okay, so now I'm gonna recap the top 5 concerns that we covered, and Matt is gonna give you our suggested product to use if you're formulating a skincare product for that concern. First, anti-aging and anti-wrinkle. What is your suggested active?
I would stick with 2 actives on the website. One is tried and true vitamin E or tocopherol. Like I mentioned before, that's a very potent antioxidant that helps to provide long-term effects. And then I would also look into the baobab water-soluble protein. This is a unique blend of proteins and amino acids from baobab that are very easy to incorporate into any solution, and they actually help to address many of the problems that cause wrinkles and signs of aging.
Second, anti-blemish and dark spots. What is your suggested active?
I would go with vitamin C in this case, or ascorbic acid. This, like I mentioned before, it's the gold standard, and it's also one of the most sought after ingredients in all of skincare.
Third, sensitive skin. What's your active of choice?
For sensitive skin, I would actually go with an organic agave prebiotic fiber, which is on the website as well. This fiber actually has 2 purposes. It helps to create a film that traps moisture to the skin, and it also helps to regulate the skin's microbiome, which can help to make skin less sensitive and reactive.
Okay, last but not least, our under eye bags and puffiness. What active do we use to get rid of those?
I would use our easy dissolve caffeine extract because that's a concentrated caffeine powder that is actually more easily incorporated into the solution and therefore more effective when being applied to the skin because it's better able to penetrate the skin.
There you have it. Whether you're making skincare products for your own concerns or you're marketing them to a customer, you now have the top 5 skin concerns and what ingredients to use to mitigate those issues. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest makers tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.